Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Point. Students, I am here with the topic of integers, rationals and real numbers, chapter 2 NSM 1, exercise 2D question 1 part A. Okay, we have this question. If you look at the question, that there is a bracket plus minus sign. So we have a fraction with involving positive and negative numbers. So let's start the question. So in this question, first we will solve the bracket 1 by 2. Okay, you can see that when there is a 2 sign and there is a bracket between the 2 signs, their 2 sign are going to be multiplication. Now if you have two concepts, that first is plus minus minus. In multiplication, plus minus minus will become minus. And the other concept is that when there is a positive sign outside the bracket, the inner sign will remain the same. So you can apply both of the concept. Now there is a positive sign outside the bracket, so inner sign will remain the same. So inner sign is minus, so we put the minus as well. Next is 3 by 4. Now we just have write down our two fractions. What is need to do next? That is take the LCM of 2 and 4. You can also say that we need to equalize the denominator of both the fractions. So we will take the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. I will prefer that you will do this concept, but as when you are applying or you are doing this type of LCM, so your concept of chapter 1 that is regarding to LCM essay will also be revised. So the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Multiply the factors of these. 2 2s are 4. Now this need to make the 2 number 4. To home number we multiply 2, that become 4. So when we multiply 2 with 2, 2 2s are 4. Multiply that 2 with also with the numerator. And 2 1s are 2. What is the sign? That is minus. So place the minus as well. Now next sign is minus again. 4 is when multiply with 1. So 4 1s are 4. Multiply this one with also to the numerator. 1 3s are 3. Now students, you can see that we have same sign with 2 and 3. When there is a same sign, rather it is plus or rather it will be minus or minus, the terms will be added. The numbers will be added. We have same sign, that is minus minus. Ignore the sign as well. First of all, you have added the terms. 2 plus 3, 5. Now, as both the terms have the minus sign, so you place the sign as well. We put up the same sign that both the terms have. So both the terms have minus sign, we put the minus sign here. Now what is next? Write on the denominator, that is 4. Now look at your fraction. It is a proper fraction? No, because we have greater term or bigger term in our numerator. Our numerator have the term 5, or denominator have the term 4. So we'll convert this in the form of mixed fraction. And how can we convert this? We will just divide. Place the numerator inside the division sign and we divide with the 4. So 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. We just have write down this fraction. So we have to write down this term as, write down the remainder in the coefficient 1. Write down the cyclic process and our dividend is 4. We write on the denominator. So that improper fraction is converted into. Now we will do the question 1 part B. So firstly we have to solve the mixed form as well as the bracket. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 by 8. Now plus minus minus, or also you can take the concept when there is a minus sign outside the bracket, so the inner sign will remain the same. So you can apply both the concept. Now next is 1 by 4. In the next step we will take the LCM of 8 and 4. And the LCM of 8 and 4, that is 8. I will also solve for you. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2 and 1. Now multiply the factors, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So from LCM, taking the LCM of 4 and 8, we will get the LCM 8. Now you can see that we have the first fraction, we have the denominator 8 and the answer of LCM is also 8. So there is no need to equal because they are already equal. So write the 25 as it. Now next is 4. So you have to make this 4 to 8. from which number we multiply 4, so it will become 8. 4 2s are 8. Multiply that 2 also with the numerator of this fraction. So 2 1s are 2. We have to write this 2 in this place, or this numerator in this place. Now 25 minus 2. Now minus 25 minus 2 plus 25 minus 2. So we will get 23 by 8. Okay, plus minus, the term will be minus, and we'll place the sign of the greater term. So our greater term is 25, and 25 having the sign plus. When there is nothing, any sign, that means there is a plus sign. So we will shift that plus sign in your next term. Now we have this fraction that is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into proper fraction. Write down the numerator and divide by the denominator, that is 8. 8 2s are 16. Subtract 16 from 23, so we'll get the 7. Now we have to write this division in the cyclic process. Write down the remainder in the top, 7. This coefficient towards the divisor, 2, and this divisor in the remainder, that is 8. So this is your part B. Okay students, now we have the part C of question 1, exercise 2D. Now again you can say that we have a mixed fraction. So first we have to solve these mixed fractions. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Now we will take the LCM, and I hope so that after doing all these questions you will be able to have the practice solving this question fastly. Now the LCM of 2 and 5, that is 10, or you can also take the LCM. You can solve this. Okay, now from which term we multiply 5, so it become a 10. So when I multiply 5 with 2, so it become a 10. So multiply that 2 also with your numerator. Now multiply 2 with 26. Now multiply 26 by 2, we get 52. Now write down this minus sign again. When we multiply 2 with 5, so these 2 will become equal to our LCM. So when we multiply 2 with 5, our denominator will become 10. Multiply this 5 also with the numerator of that fraction. So 9 5s are 45. Now subtract 45 with 52. Why so? Because 52 have the sign plus, and plus minus minus. Plus minus minus, short terms will be subtracted. So 54 minus 52 minus 45, we get the answer 7. And what is your denominator? 10. Now which sign we will place? You can observe the two terms. One is 52 and the other is 45. So which is the greater term? The bigger or the greater term is 52, and 52 having the sign plus. So we shift the plus sign. When there is no any signs, that means there is a plus sign. Now look at your fraction. Your fraction is a proper fraction because your numerator is smaller than your denominator. So there is no need to divide or solve further. This is your answer. Now part B of question 1, that is alhamdulillah the last part of this question. So again we'll solve the fractions, these mixed fractions. Okay, 6 3s are 24 plus 1 25 minus 25 by 6. Now we'll solve the last part of question 1, part D. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. So 19 by 6. Put up this minus sign. Now plus, first we solve the mix from this fraction. Put this minus sign as it. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14. 14 by 3. Now in the next step we will solve this bracket. Again you can see that we have a plus sign outside the bracket, so the inner sign will remain the same. And the second concept is that in multiplication, plus minus will become minus. Minus 19 by 6 plus minus will become minus, and 14 by 3. Now take the LCM of these 3 and 6. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. You can see that we have the same denominator, that is equal to the LCM. So there is no need to multiply 19 with any number. Or if you want to multiply, so definitely 6 1s are 6, so 1 19s are 19. Put up this minus sign. Now when we multiply 3 with 2, so our 3 will become 6. So multiply that 2 with denominator as well as with numerator. 14 2s are 4s are 8 and 2 ones are 2. 28. Now add up these two numbers. You can see that we have the two terms 19 and 28, and 19 and 28 having both the same sign, and the sign is minus. Whenever there is a same sign with both the terms, so the terms will be added. So 19 plus 28 is 47 by 6. Now both the terms having the same sign, that is minus, so we put at the sign that both the terms have. Both the terms have the minus sign, so we put the minus. You can also say that minus minus is plus, term will be added, and what will be the sign, that is with both the terms, minus. Now minus 47 by 6 is an improper fraction. We convert this in the mixed form. 47 divided by 6. So 6 sevens are 42. 47 minus 42, we get the answer, that is 5. So we write on this in the mixed form. Write in the remainder in the top, in the coefficient place 5. This coefficient towards the divisor and this divisor toward the coefficient. Now which sign we will place? We have the minus sign. Forward this minus sign in the answer. So that is your answer of fraction minus 47 by 6. So students, it is all about your question 1 part A to D of exercise 2D. Still, if there is any query, you can put your query in the comment box, or you can solve this question with any method. I just solve this question with this method. You can also apply the other methods, or the possible method that is the correct one.